The Baronesa Apartment, originally laid out with a spacious living room, 3 bedrooms, and a balcony, underwent a remarkable transformation. The owners wanted to revamp their kitchen to make it brighter and more open, while retaining the flexibility to close it off for privacy. A sliding door became the key solution, allowing the kitchen to integrate seamlessly with the living room or be separated when needed. The square-shaped living room posed a unique design challenge. To create distinct spaces for television and lounging, the designers opted for a double sofa. This simple yet effective solution divides the room into 2 functional areas while maintaining an open feel. A custom-built wooden bookshelf was added to offer storage for books and decor items, serving as a unifying element that ties the space together. The renovation capitalized on the apartment's balconies, turning them into integral parts of the living room. By designing the space to flow effortlessly onto these outdoor areas, the apartment became ideal for hosting gatherings and relaxing with friends and family. This seamless indoor-outdoor connection creates a welcoming atmosphere, enriching the overall ambience. The apartment's new decor combines contemporary Brazilian furniture with classic Scandinavian design elements. Key pieces include the Lego sofa from a Studio Bola and the C26 armchair from Carbono, alongside iconic items like the Saarinen table and the Series 7 chairs by Arne Jacobsen. This minimalist approach promotes lightness and harmony throughout the apartment, creating a cohesive and visually appealing environment. In the master bedroom, the design continues the apartment's minimalist aesthetic, focusing on a color palette of white, wood, and cement. The headboard features a unique burnt cement texture, complemented by wooden floors and bedside tables. A striking addition is the green curtain of hanging plants, which provides privacy and adds a touch of nature to the space. This feature not only enhances the room's coziness but also brings a sense of tranquility and freshness to the entire apartment.